Hey guys, what's up? My name is Johan Medina, but you know on my YouTube channel it says The Immoral Johan. But yeah, my name is Johan Medina. This is actually my first time doing YouTube today, like my first video doing it, and you know I'm really glad that I'm get to do this right now. I say this is my first ever video that I'm gonna do today, and today we're gonna do a Lego set of my own video, right? Let's see this. All right, we got a Lego set right here. Big. See what we got. Alright. So what we got. We got the Batman Lego set of Arkham Asylum. This comes with a lot of characters in here. For example, Penguin, who else? Poison Ivy, I believe. Catwoman. There are like 2 or 3 Batmans, I believe. No, there's only 2 Batmans, yeah. There's actually, yeah, Batman, another one. Who else? There's probably also Batwoman, I know. Well, Scarecrow, Harley Quinn, Robin, Joker, Mr. Freeze, Bane, and Killer Croc. Well, usually that's it. Something I like it. We go for the back usually. See here, they got a lot of pretty cool stuff. Usually here's Harley Quinn, and a lot of features of what they have in the Arkham Asylum. It's usually over 25 centimeters, 9.5 inches. 23 centimeters on the top and 12.5 inches right here. Man. So I guess it's time, let me see. We get to open this baby. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Oh man. Let's see. Okay, so we have bag 2, bag 24, I was just gonna say bag 2, bag 14, hold on. We have bag 23, bag 17, bag 18, bag 15, what else? Bag 12, bag 19, let's see, bag 20, bag 16, let's see what else we have here, bag 22, bag 21, what else? We have also, let's see, bag 13. Let's see what else we got. What else do we have here? Let's see. Oh, man, it's a big one right here. Whoa. I'm gonna put this down for now. Let's see. We got another one, I believe. Yep, this is another one. Let's see what we got. Man. There we go. For another one. This is my first time actually. Just take this open here. So it's, let me see. I believe it has a hole right here. Yeah, right here. This is where it is. Yep, right here. Hold on, let me just use this clip that I borrowed. So let me just open this. Yep, these are the other ones. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 7, yeah, bag 10, bag 6, bag 11, bag 3, no, bag 5 actually, I didn't say that. This one is bag 3. What else? Bag 9, bag 8, think these are a little bit for the ground, just to place it with. What else do we have? Bag 4. I think this is for like the sign for the Arkham Asylum. What else? Let's see what else do we have here. What else? Here's the instruction books, I believe. Yeah, I put a lot of work into this. Ooh, Lord. Yeah, so it comes with 2 instruction books actually, but still not bad enough. Oh man. Alright guys. Well, this is a lot of bags, and a lot of work, and a lot of building. Oh, let's get straight into it then. And also forgot, here are some stickers, and actually they come with a lot of ones right here. See here, there's a lot of ones with a cell, with numbers. Actually, also a little bit, I believe that's Harry Potter or some scientists right there. Oh man, but they actually come with good. Oh man. Actually, here are some stickers of the Riddler actually, and a little bit of X's and bangs from the Joker obviously, and others. All right, let's get to building this thing. This ruler right here. Let's see. Guess that does it. Let's see. Only those I gotta get started with. Let's see here. Let's see, what do we got? Well, there you guys have it, my very first video I did. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. I will be doing other videos like wrestling and Lego sets, and you know, comment down below to see what else you guys want me to do next. Alright, thank you for watching my video, and until next time, this is the Immoral Yawn. Bye.